I was saying I have a suggestion for you.
बोलिए.
That now we have number of people, members, maybe 15 or 20, and instead of asking everybody to confirm whether they're coming or not, we should just say, okay, whoever is not coming, being absent. So just let us know if you're not coming, because this way then you don't have to open up 15 or 20 yeses or nos and then delete all of them. So instead of that, we should expect everybody's going to join. And
Okay.
if somebody's not,
That's fine with me. I don't have a problem with that. That sounds good. But everybody has to be diligent. If they are not coming, then say it.
right.
In Zoom, it doesn't matter so much. But
Even if you are not coming, then it doesn't matter, because now there are plenty of people. It's not
Right.
like class won't happen. So we don't need to get the response, to be honest.
ठीक है. If everybody feels that way, that's fine with me.
Yes, earlier there used to be
I agree. I
very
agree
few
with
people,
Kamala.
and we needed at least 2 or 3 people to attend for the class to
True,
happen.
because if 2 or 3 people didn't come, then I'll be just sitting there myself. But now that's not true. Yeah. So I think that I would still like to know if you're not coming. So then that's, if you cannot come, then just say it. I think that sounds great to me.
No,
Also,
but still, it's waste everybody's time, because you have to look at it. Okay, there is a
You don't have to look at anything. You know what I have done? For I don't get notification of this. I turned off all the notifications, so when I go in one shot, I can just see everything. But I think all of you are concerned कि वो ding 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 होता है, right?
No, I turned off notification, but I still see 3 messages in Gita class, so I'll still go and check it. So if there is
So I
nothing
think that
there,
if
then I have to click there.
I would still like to keep a little pressure like this. कि भाई whoever is not coming, say it, because it's a serious subject.
I don't mind just saying I'll be there. That's good. It means positively you will be there.
It's like affirming yourself.
I conduct a yoga class and Sanskrit class, and I never send this. I say if one person is there, class will happen. And every day, whosoever comes, we start the class on time. And
It's one of those things
little
that
simple.
these are like small things, but you have a good feel that कौन आ रहा है कौन नहीं आ रहा है. It just, I don't know, maybe that was my brain works like that, but the other way it might be less. I know that not everybody responds anyway.
We all do. And
No,
Kamala ji, if Uma ji would like us to respond, that's the
Yeah,
least
that's
we
okay.
can do as a class.
Yeah,
If
yeah,
we
yeah.
don't respond, then let her
It's
know.
no big deal. It's no big deal.
Yeah, it's
it's
no
not
big
a
deal.
big deal. Yeah, we are
We
just
should let her
discussing.
know.
We are just
You are
putting our.
responsible.
We
You
are
are
just discussing what is.
Also we know who else is coming.
I don't know, it has like a little pulse on the classes there, that's all.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter. It's just 3 words. I will attend. So big deal.
I'll leave it up to you guys, I don't know.
You're telling your guru, I'll be there too, as you want.
Whatever you decide to follow those.
Also when you say I'll be there, you are showing that you are willing to learn.
You
It
have
gives a little affirmation, true.
You have a reverence that if you're coming, it's our duty too to come.
Absolutely, it's respect for the guru.
Yes.
Uma, I didn't want to say I'm coming when I wasn't sure.
I know, Shireen, I already know your situation, and I am because you had told me about it, because you don't know till the last minute. See, it's special circumstances are always going to be there, but like our teacher used to say, it's very easy to become complacent. Oh, man hoega to jayenge, nahi to nahi jayenge. I mean, this subject is not like that. Coming on
Actually,
time.
It was very nice to see Atma ji today in the class.
Oh, good. Other thing I wanted to show you is a picture of Lord Krishna, which I keep always.
Very nice.
Yeah, that picture is so, it soothes your heart so much, because in every household you still see some variety of that picture. Because my mom had a picture also similar Krishna and with the
I
cow.
have two here that I keep on my desk. Other one is this one, which I'm going to paint. I don't know whether you guys can see.
Oh yes, I have the same
On a
one.
swing, on a swing.
Yeah, this is Hare Krishna's paintings.
Yeah. I love to paint.
And there is one show on Hotstar, Radha Krishna, and they try to make these Radha Krishna exactly like this decor like that. Oh, they look so beautiful.
Where did you say they were?
It's on Hotstar. There's a series, 500 episodes of Radha Krishna.
Oh.
But the way they dress them up, they got the inspiration from this Hare Krishna, and you know, in Bollywood they can really do a great job.
Oh yeah.
So
they
it
do.
transports you to some other world. Just the decor they have done is so beautiful.
Yeah.
You know, Krishna's definition of Krishna and the way he stands and what he wears is very well defined in Bhagavatam.
Yes.
So there's an angle which he stands, and then the peacock feather is there, and all that is totally defined.
Yeah.
So
Everything.
what is the
that-
definition?
I can show you a picture which is according to definition.
No, because before I was called Krishna.
No, if you go
Yeah, your name was Krishna, right?
No,
Yeah, my maiden name was Krishna.
Unbelievable.
I know. So you look in the mirror now, you know the real Krishna. But what I meant was, you go inside the ISKCON, and right on the left side there is a portrait of Krishna, and that is exactly according to Bhagavatam. It's the exact Krishna picture described.
You know, एक भजन है.
I can send you one.
एक भजन है, बांके की बाकी. किसी ने सुना है? मैं बांके की बाकी हो गई. इतना ब्यूटीफुल भजन है ना, उसमें वो बता रहे कि मेरा कितना बाका है, तो वो बोलते हर एक चीज बाकी है उसकी. वो खड़ा भी टेढ़ा रहता है. बाका मीन्स इन हिंदी टेढ़ा. तो बोलता है मैं बाकी की बाकी हो गई, मैं भी टेढ़ी हो गई.
You did, yeah.
And the word Krishna means it the one who attracts. So Shireen, you got a very beautiful name, the one who attracts.
So Shireen, Atma made you change your name.
Atma and his family.
Well,
And I wish
Atma,
I hadn't changed, because when I got out of the country and I wanted to show all my certificate, they said, "What are you showing us? They don't belong to you."
see, Atma is bigger than Krishna.
That's why he changed my name.
Right.
But you're forgetting
He's a
something.
Sufi. He didn't want to call me Krishna, you know.
Right.
But you know, Krishna as a male name is different from Krishna as a female name, right?
Yeah.
They have different meanings. I
It's
thought
Krishna.
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 Christian. My brother's name is Christian. I was Krishna. So I
Yeah.
don't know. But he was mad at me for taking his name.
So
Oh.
no, Uma, doesn't Krishna refer to Draupadi? Isn't that another name for Draupadi?
Yeah, actually Krishna was the Krishna Bhagwan ने उसको Krishna name दिया था, true. उसका is another name. But you know, problem is कि the language problem. In English, when we say, they don't know how to say Krishna. So वो Krishna बन गया. See, like when in Chinmaya Mission, we call it Krishna because we are teaching everything in English. That's the problem. But what Gita ji you are saying, if you go very technical in our own Puranas and Shastras, true. It's हम लोग Krishna बोलते हैं. And when Krishna is like a female version of it, and the name Draupadi's one name is Krishna. And even Radha को भी बोला है Krishna.
Also,
जैसे आ ऐड कर दो, जैसे कमल नाम आदमी का है, कमला बन
yeah,
जाता है तो
But the meaning's entirely different, right?
Right.
Kamla is Parvati.
I'll simplify all this for you. Because Meera actually told that every human being is a female, and Krishna is the only male person in the world.
Really?
Well, no, that is a story उसके पीछे की because एक जगह पे
Mirabai,
हाँ
correct? Who is referring to
Mirabai, not this Meera.
That is why woman is incomplete, right? Because they are so
And
many.
Joe, I'm just about catching up, so please don't confuse me. Just about catching up.
Umaji,
Huh.
I heard that in Sanskrit, the names of women, female names always have a matra in the end, and the male name does not have a matra in the end. And so,
Right. Meera's right.
Okay, yeah, maybe. I'm not sure, but
That's why
it's
Kamal
possible.
and Kamla.
Kamal and Kamla, true. Hey, by the way, we got a future government in our own class here. Kamla is there and Joe is there. Joe Biden and Kamala Harris both are here. So वो जो कहानी बोली ना उन्होंने वो
if the name is Rashmi for a man, it's usually Rashmi Kant. The full name will be without a matra in the end.
Oh, true,
and for
true,
a woman,
true.
Of course, it's going to be Rashmi only. That's what I heard.
Yes.
So, you think I'm right then? I heard.
Yes, I think it seems right. Yes, now that you analyzed it, it seems right. Yes.
Let me put some light there. According to Sanskrit Bhasha, every word has a dhatu. Dhatu से हर एक word बना है. तो जैसे for example Ram is masculine, Rama is feminine, and Ramati is a verb. But dhatu is same in all of them.
Root.
What about Krishna?
Krishna is the word. Kri is the word. Kri is dhatu.
Right.
And
Okay,
from
listen to
that,
ये बाकी की बाकी हो गई वही वाला ना ये What you can do is you send this link. Everybody listen to it. बहुत मजा आएगा.
इसको डाल दीजिएगा उसमें नेक्स्ट क्लास में डाल दीजिएगा इसको.
Yes.
Okay.
Got it. I think एक किसी ने जो गाया हुआ है ना, one person who sang, there are some singers when they sing they give out a totally different energy. That the one that I heard, he was so good that
I actually attended his concert in Delhi.
oh
He's
okay.
very good. He's dead now, but the one who sang, right?
This is a bhajan sang by many people, so I don't know exactly which one, but one of them it was phenomenal the way he sang.
He's Vinod Agarwal.
Yes, this is what other part. Yeah.
Yeah, he's I heard, I attended his concert.
He's
Yeah.
very good. Jopayevich Bhagavad do you read? Who is the author? Who is the writer?
Who's the writer of this?
No,
No,
Bhagavad he's
the
saying.
Bhagavad.
कौन सा भागवत आप पढ़ते हो?
भागवत कौन सी पढ़ते हो आप? गोरखपुर वालों की या कौन से वाली? Which one will you recommend?
Oh, भागवत?
हाँ जी.
मैं तो गीता प्रेस का भागवत मुझे दिया था सीक्रेट साहब ने. That's the one I read. Gita Press has a big book of Gita
Yes.
also, and also they have Bhagavatam.
जो गोरखपुर वालों की है.
हाँ, Gita Press good. That's the one my father had given me one time. When I got married, he just handed me a couple of books. And this was one of them, Bhagavatam. So I read it long time ago. काफी time लगा था मुझे. मैंने भी वो गीता प्रेस वाली पढ़ी थी.
हाँ.
Yeah. That's pretty good. उसका जो अगर if you want in Hindi, English भी आती है अच्छा.
Was written by Ram Subdas ji.
Ah,
Died at the age of 95. And he revised it many times because he used to feel, he used to meditate and then revise it. So there are many versions of that Gita.
yeah, Ram Suksagar.
Which one? No,
who's
Ram
the right?
Sukdas.
Ram
Even
Sukhdev.
Ram
Ram
Sukdas.
Suksagar. I never heard of
He
that.
died at the age of 95, I think, 96.
You know, that's the commentary that our Guruji also recommended by Swami
Ram
Ram
Sukhdev.
Sukhdev.
Ah.
Ah.
So he was he actually wrote through meditation.
Ah. I read the Dongre Maharaj Ji. Do you have heard the name?
I've heard of the name
Dongre-
Dongre Maharaj Ji, yes. वो भी बहुत अच्छा
I
होगा.
read his Bhagavatam, Dongre Maharaj Ji. बहुत सारी भाषा में लिखी हूँ, तो वो मेरे पास है. और एक सुख सागर है. I don't know you remember or not. Sukh Sagar, like when I was growing up, they used to call Sukh Sagar, and they used to have the 7 days उसका जो पाठ होता था ना, in our hometown. I never heard, but I used to hear कि Sukh Sagar का पाठ चलता.
I have the tape of one time, I think Secret Sahib gave me, they used to get the Swami come from Haridwar and give a whole Bhagavatam course. And they had tape. So I think they gave me a set of tapes. I think Manju may have it back. I gave her. So you can find it. Because they say in Bhagavatam, once you start listening, you shouldn't end. You should wait till the end.
Wait.
Yeah, it takes 7 days minimum.
Then, no, that's good.
That's just a symbolic because वो 7 दिन में उधर परीक्षित, you know the story now how it happened. Yeah, because he had 7 days that before he was going to die. That's why it was Saptapadi. But you know, just we should do this or should not. अगर मन में श्रद्धा नहीं हो ना, कोई कुछ फायदा नहीं है. मन में श्रद्धा हो तो you can, even for some reason, if you cannot hear, it's okay. That's how I feel, Baba.
I was just listening, seeing the definition of Shraddha.
हाँ, बोलो.
And there's huge literature on it.
वही मैंने बोला ना. It is. There are so many points.
Shraddha of a sattvic person is in Bhagwan, but of a rajasic person in wealth
True.
and fame.
Yes.
And so there are different grades of Shraddha.
Yes. I don't have that whole others out of there. अभी chapter आएगा. If everybody sticks
What
with
is
Bhagavad.
Shraddha? What is Shraddha in a tamasic person? Do they say that?
आप बताओ क्या चीज में होएगी. उसको सब गलत चीजों में श्रद्धा होएगी. ड्रग्स में होएगी उसको. श्रद्धा means you believe in something that's not going to give me happiness or that's going to give me something. श्रद्धा is that the driving force within us. But क्या चीज में श्रद्धा है वो that makes it tamasic,
An
rajasic.
article which says what is in Shraddha in tamasic. I don't remember now.
All the negative and dull things in life. And or in America we have a tremendous shraddha and all the rajasic thing. We know that.
Yeah.
You know, wealth management. You know, and all that.
Very true.
Yeah.
What can do?
But what they're trying to tell you is that if you want to go on a spiritual journey, तो तुमको वो थोड़ी श्रद्धा उस तरफ मोड़नी पड़ेगी. Because see, अगर spiritual में हमको सीधा उल्टी चीजें बताई जाती है, right? It takes a while for the mind to get trained. You know, कि भाई if something negative is happening, don't look at it as a negative. उसमें time लगेगा ना ये सब करने के लिए. Because there is always some reason behind it.
उसमें एक पॉइंट है, मैंने अभी रिसेंटली पढ़ा, मुझे अच्छा लगा. तो उसमें था जैसे कोई लैंड है, उसमें हमने कोई बीज नहीं डाला, तो क्या कुछ टाइम के बाद उसमें बीज उगने शुरू हो जाएंगे. और जो वीड्स वो क्या करते हैं, एक तो अननेसेसरी वर्क है, दूसरा दे द फर्टिलिटी ऑफ द लैंड, राइट. And then he give you the example in the same way, if we don't install in our mind the devotion, seeds of devotion, our mind will be polluted and it ruin the power of our mind.
Yeah, I mean, very good. You can say definitely. Because we see that once we learn the principles over here of karma yoga or you know, bhakti and all that, and if you start doing that, your mind starts becoming quiet and purer. And but if you अगर वर्ल्डली चीज़ों में हम सिर्फ श्रद्धा रख के बैठ जाएंगे हमको कुछ नहीं मिलने वाला, because we just create more agitations. It's a constantly changing world. So तुम क्या करोगे श्रद्धा रख के उसमें?
पर ये थोड़ा हमारे एफर्ट्स होने चाहिए ना कि हम अपने मन में बाद में बीज बढ़ेगा नहीं बढ़ेगा वो बात की बात है, पर कैसे तो हमें भी स्टार्ट करना पड़ेगा to develop that feeling.
You know, this 6 points that I talked about for sadhana, if you think about it, it's very scientific. Because सबसे पहले विवेक जागृत करो. विवेक, once you know what is real, what is unreal, फिर वैराग्य आएगा, फिर धीरे धीरे सब कुछ आता जाएगा, षट संपत्ति आती जाएगी. बट इफ़ यू डोंट स्टार्ट विद विवेक तो कुछ नहीं होने वाला. और विवेक कैसे होएगा, हम लोग जागृत करेंगे, ये सब ग्रंथ पढ़ने से होएगा ना. तो उसमें आएगा देयर इज अ कॉन्शियसनेस. व्हेन वी आर बोर्न वी ओनली सी द वर्ल्ड, वी हैव नो क्लू दैट व्हाट कॉन्शियसनेस इज, unless you know some guru or somebody tells us, we don't. That's why they shravanam, they say, is the most important meaning, to listen, because nobody can show you what God is. They cannot, oh, here is God, you know. So that's why it's hearing se dhire 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 wo andar jayega. That's why they say shravanam mananam nididhyasan. So you first listen, then you contemplate upon it, remove your doubts, and then in meditation you experience this. That's the sequence they give you.
Yeah.
So we are doing a lot of mananam. Yeah.
Yeah.
So anyway, it's 1 o'clock. Yeah. I was going to close, but you can go ahead. One last question. I can't hear you, Vandana. You gotta unmute. Unmute yourself. Now.
In the first section, you very well touched on how we really should behave. You started with you sit looking at the ocean, the waves. Then you brought the point about body, mind, indriyas, and then you went on to the earth, the gunas, and the 5 elements of the gunas. Is it possible in the small cheat sheet that you always give of the class that you can put that under that heading? The 3 sections was very well explained, but still it will help to put it on the Gita class.
I didn't understand how you want to put it.
You first referred to as the body, the mind, and the indriyas. Then you slowly steered the discussion of the earth, and then on to what are the 5 elements of the gunas. Under that, could you put it on the notes section? What are they under that? How a person should evolve in this journey?
I think basically what all they are saying is, I think if you want to go more in detail, there is a lot out there. There's guna guneshu vartante ka, how they interact with each other. There is a much more detail, and you know, even they go as far as in the body, you know, all the 3 gunas, how they are divided, like what Kamlaji was saying. There's too much material out there. I can send maybe some links, you know, that you can.
Class, it was very simply this, you said it.
But now I have the recording.
It's okay. So
you can listen to the recording and make the notes. Yeah. Sometimes, you know, like when you are in that class, you are in that mode.
Sure.
And you are saying something, I may not be able to repeat it because there is some kind of energy there which flows, you know, when you're doing that.
Absolutely beautiful. The recording.
Yeah, you have the recording. You can listen again and see, make the notes.
Nice.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, Umati. We really enjoyed the class. Thank you, everybody.
Okay, everybody. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Umati. Have a good week. Everybody have a good week.